Budding Bubbleland. Hi, little friends. Today we will learn colors with yummy fruits and vegetables. This color is red, red like an apple. Can you say red? Red. This color is yellow, yellow like a banana. Can you say yellow? This is green color, green like a broccoli. Can you say green? This is orange color, orange like a carrot. Say it with me, orange. This is blue, blue like blueberries. Say it softly, blue. This color is purple, purple like grapes. Can you say purple? Let's say all colors together: red, yellow, green, orange, blue, purple. Great job! You did amazing today, little friend. See you next time. Bye bye.